welcome back to our episode inside of Roblox. It's your girl, Sienna the Gaming Girl, and today we are playing SBB, as you know it, Super Blocky Ball, and I think we made an episode of this once. I think I don't remember. I can't remember. Anyway, if you did watch a SBB vid with me, yeah. So I think I did. So let's change mine. Yeah, I think I did with like American chicken flag thing. Okay. Anyway, we're gonna do the American chicken flag thing again. If we already did it, let's get it. Where is it? Need a few more minutes. New. Oh, there it is. Okay, we're ready. We're chicken. We're the American chicken. American chicken. Woo! Yeah, I think we made. Yeah. I can't think. Let's go. Oof. Everybody else is coming. It's okay. That's okay. That's okay. We're first place now. Hiya! Oh no! I just saw somebody. People are coming. Yeah! Boom, 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 boom. I'm good at this game. Jump. Hey! You get out. I'm a YouTuber. You better get out, son. Boom! Shakalaka. Boom! Shakalaka. Get out of here, cones. I hate you. Go. I love this game. What? Okay. Anybody behind me? No. I bet this guy's last. Oh no. Oh yeah, baby. That's what's up. What? I don't. Hacker. He's a hacker. I was first. No. I wasn't first. I swear to God. I swear. You're stupid. You're so stupid. Where is he? I wanna know. How to change ball. Go to menu of SBB. Go to menu of SBB. Then you have it. Go. No. I'm failing so bad. I'm failing, wailing and bad. Failing. I'm failing so bad. Yeah. Failing so bad. Come on, hurry up. Yeah, rápido. No, ghost rule. No. You listen to me. Rapido. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, we could beat everybody. Oh, okay. They're just idiots. Woo! noise. It's okay. New. Okay. Am I fifth? I was a fifth. Alright. Wait, hold on. Leaderboard. Okay. I was sixth. Okay. Sorry. I was sixth. Okay. I love that one. I love this one. It's a little hard. Bomb top PR, but it's worth it. Okay. 2 more rounds, and then we're ending this vid. Woo! Come in. Let's get this thing started. Whoop, 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 whoop. I love racing. Pick one. Pick one. Pick one. Easy. Scroll down and pick one. Oh, dang it. Okay. Where click? Any one. Scroll. I have to do this. Scroll. Oh, that's nice. Scroll. Yeah. Anyone, scroll down. Okay. Jeez, I bet he's on a computer or something. I'm on a tablet, but I bet he's on a computer. Ay ay ay. Ah. No. Bow. Pew pew pew. Oh, I almost made it that time. Oh no. Ay caramba. Okay. I get it. Okay. Where am I? Where? Yep. That's what you get. That's what you get. The twerking frog. Do the twerking frog. Hey, look, there's a noob over there, side. Noob. Another noob. Noobs. I don't know why there's so many noobs. Look, there's a noob up there, smiling. Hi, I'm a chimpanzee. No, I don't know. No, there are. Oops. Press marble mesh. Marble meshes. Okay. Then you got. Then you got it. Okay. I want to go up there. Whee! No! Oh yeah, no. Gotta go. I don't care if I'm last. I want to get some marbles. Yeah. Dang it. Okay. I already got that one. There's one up there. Where? What? That's the pineapple. Did I get that one? Oh, I got that one. Oops. Okay, I got that one already. Oh no. Run, like a pineapple. Yeah. This is the last round, so we're gonna end after this. No, why did I didn't even know. I failed myself. Okay. Oh, dog, douche. go. Wait. Go Doge! Go Doge! Go Doge! Ruff, go Doge! Go Doge! Ruff, ruff, go Doge! Ruff, 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 ruff. Go Doge! 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 Oh yes, that guy's DNF more than me. Okay, we're gonna end this episode here, guys. Come on, make it my chicken. We'll see why. Okay, guys, I kind of changed my character. I don't know. We're ending here. We're not going. Okay, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, smash that like button hard. Subscribe to me if you like me. Comment down below and check the description down below. Hope you guys enjoy. Goodbye!